Coming up in this video, motor message mediumship. And if you have any questions as we go relating to the topic of this video, drop them in the comments. And if you're just getting to know us,
I'm Heather.
And I'm David.
From Sunrose Garden.
.com.
Yes.
Motor message mediumship.
Okay, so this is a phase that we don't talk about often. There are basically three energies in mediumship that you use. There's the mental mediumship and physical mediumship, but there's a phase in between, an energy in between that is called motor mediumship. Right. It sort of bridges the gap between the two. So the second type of message mediumship might use more motor-based mediumship. So if you use motor mediumship phases as a message mediumship, you're going to be using some type of external tool to assist the message in coming through, such as like a pen, a pencil, automatic writing, a typewriter,
pendulum. You could even use a computer.
If motor mediumship is the way that you bring forth the message, it might look different than a medium that is more using the mental phases.
Right.
So with a motor medium, a motor message medium, say that really fast,
right.
You may have different speeds. You might have different awareness, like a motor medium who's an automatic writer may write and not really have an awareness of what is being written, or might have a lot of speed as they write, like it's coming through so fast that they've got to write it really fast and then convey it to you.
Sometimes it's like the information comes in so much and with so much intensity and just so much information coming in, it's like you get this huge rapid download. And then you have this feeling of, I need to get this out, I need to get it written, or I need to get it out in some fashion. So there's that element too.
After that, the message is interpreted. Let's say if you're a motor medium that delivers messages really fast like that, then you would deliver the message after.
You've got mental mediumship, which is inside of your head. You've got physical mediumship, and then you've got motor mediumship, which is somewhere in between.
Right, it sort of
bridges just to more
two.
clarify. Right.
So it can take years of dabbling in different types of mediumship because you've got to try a lot of things to see what you're really good at. You might be trying to deliver messages in a traditional way, and that might not fit for you. You might actually be an amazing motor medium and you didn't even know it. You haven't even tried it.
Right.
So until it sparks and you find your special spice, keep experimenting.
Yes, playing.
And so, for instance, after years of study and practice,
when we met,
healing mediumship kind of became our primary focus, and that kind of skyrocketed. It's not about forcing the ability that you want or your ego wants. It's about learning the craft, the basics and foundations of the three pillars.
Following what is opening for you and unfolding into the best medium that only you can be. And once you find that special spice that is yours, go deep. Don't go wide, master it.
So I want to talk about cards, because a lot of mediums...
Let's talk about it.
So a lot of mediums use cards.
Not a lot, but some.
Okay, so a lot of mediums use cards in their readings, but that, even though that's an external tool, it's not considered motor mediumship.
Right.
Reading cards itself is not mediumship. If you're reading and there's mediumship information, yes. But so cards, even though it's an external tool, is not a motor mediumship thing. Mediumship can come into play. But if a medium uses cards to assist their mediumship, it would be more mental mediumship.
Right, because you're still using the cards, but you're not using them as an extension of the motor function.
Right.
You're using them as a trigger for your mental mediumship, for your internal mediumship. Ready for psychic and mediumship training that does not scare the crap out of you? If so, Zen Ed Academy is the rebel base.
Real information without all the unicorn poop.
Don't do it.
And that's going to get you on your way to unlocking your special mediumship blend and going from hobby to pro.
And Omar says, as a Zen Ed Academy student, I can second that. Absolutely. All of that info is down below. If you like this video, hit that like button.
And if you have any questions, let us know in the comments below. That's where we get ideas for new videos.
And for more mind hacking pro tips,
be sure to subscribe
and click the bell to turn notifications on,
so you're the first to know
when we drop a new video
or go live.
And we know that time is a valuable and precious resource, and the fact that you guys have chosen to spend that with us, we absolutely honor and appreciate that. But most importantly, that you're here to level up your life and your skills and take your business and your life to a whole new level. We honor and appreciate that even more. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
See you in the next video.